Good day, everyone. Today, we gather here to fight on an issue that continues to impact millions of lives globally. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, commonly known as HIV. HIV is not just a medical issue. It is a social, emotional, and economic challenge that requires our collective effort to combat. HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system, weakening the body's natural defense against infections and disease. If left untreated, it can lead to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome of AIDS. But here's the good news: with the modern medical advances, HIV is no longer the death sentence it once was. Antiretroviral therapy can suppress the virus, allowing people living with HIV to lead healthy, productive lives. However, while science has advanced, stigma and misinformation persist. People living with HIV often face discrimination, isolation, and fear barriers that prevent from the accessing treatment and support. It is our responsibility as a society to break these barriers and foster an environment of understanding and compassion. So, how can we help? First, educate ourselves and others, know the facts about HIV, how it's transmitted, how it's not, and the importance of early testing and treatment. Second, promote regular testing and safe practices. Prevention is a key, and early detection saves lives. Encourage those around you to know their status without fear or shame. The third is advocate for equal rights. Let us ensure that people living with HIV are treated with dignity, respect, and access to the healthcare they need. Finally, I argue everyone to remember this: HIV does not define a person. What defines us is how we respond with kindness, with action, and with hope. Let us to be generation that ends that stigma and paves the way for an HIV-free future. Thank you.